everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, Zodwa shocked many people after posting her boyfriend and her son's picture. People were convinced that they are father and the son, the way they resemble each other. In her post, she said, "My home, my boyfriend and my son Vuyo. Fresh cut, I live and I do as I want. No society rules based on us, we live." And her post was immediately flooded with comment like "Baze bafana, beautiful family, my lady, ave befana. They both look alike. Your kings are lucky to have you." And the other one said, "He is the really father of your son. I swear they look alike." Wezodwa ungadlali ngathi vele uyeni baba kaBoy lo, akusikho ukufana kwabantu lokhu. Beautiful step, daddy and son. Zodwa, this boyfriend yakho iyakuthanda ngempela. Trust me, he is the one. They look alike ngathi ingane ndawonye. This one yeah, you have cute sons. And guys, yeah, please check this picture and share your opinion. Do they look alike or it's because they are both light in complexion? Have a nice day. Bye.